Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to learn fill in the blanks and question and answers of lesson 2 Thunder Cake. Children, all of you open your worksheets, open lesson 2 Thunder Cake. In our previous class, we have learned hard words, meanings and rhyming words. And in today's class, we are going to learn fill in the blanks and question and answers. See the first one. The child's grandmother lived in a farm in dash. The child, child's, child's grandmother, 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 lived, lived, lived in a farm, farm in dash, in Michigan, Michigan, Michigan. The child's grandmother lived in a farm in Michigan. Second one. The child was scared, S-E-A-R-E-D, scared of the sound, S-O-U-N-D, sound of dash. The child was scared of the sound of thunder, T-H-U-N-D-E-R, thunder. The child was scared of the sound of thunder. See the third one. The dash shudder in their panes. The windows, W-I-N-D-O-W-S, the windows shudder, S-H-U-D-D-E-R, shudder in their panes, P-A-N-E-S, panes. She scurried, S-C-U-R-R-I-E-D, she scurried towards, T-O-W-A-R-D-S, towards the dash. She scurried towards the back door, B-A-C-K, back, D-O-O-R, door. She scurried towards the back door. Fifth one, this is a dash weather. This is a thunder baking, T-H-U-N-D-E-R, thunder, B-A-K-I-N-G, baking weather. This is a thunder baking weather. See the first one. The child's grandmother lived in a farm in Michigan. The child was scared of the sound of thunder. The windows shuddered in their panes. She scurried towards the back door. This is a thunder baking weather. And see the question and answer. See the first one. How did the child overcome her fear in the story? How did the child, C-H-I-L-D, child, overcome, O-V-E-R-C-O-M-E, overcome her fear, F-E-A-R, fear in the story, S-T-O-R-Y, story. How did the child overcome her fear in the story? And the answer is, the child went, W-E-N-T, went out on the poem, P-O-E-M, poem, to get ingredients, I-N-G-R-E-D-I-E-N-T-S, ingredients of the cake, while the thunder, T-H-U-N-D-E-R, thunder, was rumbling, R-U-M-B-L-I-N-G, rumbling. Her grandmother, G-R-A-N-D-M-O-T-H-E-R, her grandmother had got her interested, I-N-T-E-R-E-S-T-E-D, interested in baking a cake, B-A-K-I-N-G, baking a cake. Her attention, A-T-T-E-N-T-I-O-N, her attention was diverted, D-I-V-E-R-T-E-D, diverted. By the time the storm, S-T-O-R-M, storm, came, the cake was ready, R-E-A-D-Y, ready, and they were enjoying it, E-N-J-O-Y-I-N-G, enjoying it. She was never scared, S-C-A-R-E-D, scared of thunder after this experience, E-X-P-E-R-I-E-N-C-E, experience. Again, I am reading this question and answer. Children, listen carefully. How did the child overcome her fear in the story? The child went out on the poem to get ingredients of the cake while the thunder was rumbling. Her grandmother had got her interested in baking a cake. Her attention was divided. By the time the storm came, the cake was ready and they were enjoying it. She was never scared of thunder after this experience. See the second question. Do you think that The child realized what the grandmother was trying to do. Give reason. Do you think that the child realized, realized, realized what the grandmother, grandmother, what the grandmother was trying, trying to do? Give reason, reason. No, the child did not understand, understand the grandmother's wanted, wanted. She innocently, she innocently went about doing what the grandmother wanted. She innocently went about doing what the grandmother wanted. Again, I am repeating the question. Children, listen carefully. Do you think that the child realized what the grandmother was trying to do? Give reason. No, the child don't know before what grandmother was thinking in her mind. She don't know what the grandmother's plans of her. See, no, the child did not understand the grandmother's wanted. She innocently went about doing what the grandmother wanted. She innocently went about doing what the grandmother wanted. See the third one. What are the ways in which one can get over one's fear of something? What are the ways, ways, ways in which one can get over, over one's fear, fear of something, something, something. Do something interesting. Do something interesting. 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 Keep busy. Keep. Keep. Busy. Busy. Do not think of that which scares you. It means we should keep ourselves busy, children. We should keep interest on something. We should focus interestingly on something, and we should keep on busy doing something so that we will not scare. We should not think about what the matter scares us. Okay, this is what the answer is. Children, all of you go through these question and answers and fill in the blanks and write down in your homework books 2 times each. Okay, bye children. Thank you.